Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Now the purpose of these test drive videos are for the potential buyer to get a little more insight of how does it run, how does it sound, what's it look like out in the sun. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you want all the other information about engine, when it was restored, anything like that, when we're done here, go to volocars.com. Jay has the whole write-up on it. We have 100 or so additional pictures, undercarriage included, and then the price is there, and then you can give sales department a call with any other questions you have. This baby looks nice. Door works great. The little window skirts, that's why I always call them, they work. Seat feels really comfortable, this bench seat. Everything in here, it looks new. They said, I don't know when any of this was restored. I work in the shop here, but on volocars.com, Jay has all that information. Let's go ahead and start it up. This is the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take it out. So we're gonna start out just kind of cruising a little bit, getting a feel for it, and then I'm gonna open it up a little later on in the video. As you see, you have your gauge cluster here with fuel and everything. We have the tachometer, and then we have the oil, battery, engine temp there. The radio works. Yeah, I think it's time to take this baby out. Brakes feel nice, not too soft, not too firm. No jerking when it was shifting through. It's always a plus. Pulls a little left, we'll get it to the alignment shop. But real responsive steering. If I just turn a little bit, we're going that way. So far, not only is it beautiful, but she runs great. Keep looking around, trying to find something to point out that's kind of dinged or nicked, and I'm not finding anything. Very little rattle going over everything. Your classic cars, I'd say a good 90 to 95% of them, they'll have a little bit of squeaks when you go over, a little bit of tiny rattle. It's when you start hearing the real clanks and clunks, that's when you have to start worrying. But this one, see, like right there, there's a little bit of squeaking. Still feels like a real solid car. It's real nice down the road. All right, I'll get on a little bit here, get a feel for it, then the second pass, try to open it up a little more. Oh, it sounds like a beast. Shifts smooth, easy to control there. Man. This isn't meant to be your grandma's grocery getter. Just hit those bumps there, going what, around 50? Still sounds solid. Like I said, it's easy to control when you're accelerating too. Real good turning radius. You get some of the classics, they turn like an aircraft carrier. Oh, man, this thing is fun. Woo. Oh, well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. See all the pictures, the detailed write-up, the pricing, and give sales a call. As always, appreciate you.